For decades, the mysteries of mental health have challenged scientists and clinicians alike. We have long sought to understand the complexities of conditions like autism, schizophrenia, and depression. Now, a groundbreaking discovery is ushering in a new era of understanding. Researchers have identified a set of common genetic variants, minute variations in our DNA, linked to a spectrum of psychiatric disorders. This discovery is revolutionary. It overturns previous assumptions and offers a new lens through which to view mental illness. Gone is the simplistic notion of individual isolated disorders. Instead, we are beginning to unravel the intricate genetic threads that connect these conditions. This shared genetic basis has profound implications for how we diagnose, treat, and ultimately understand mental health. It opens up exciting new avenues for developing more effective therapies targeting these root genetic causes. This is a moment of immense hope for the millions worldwide living with mental health challenges. The future of mental health care is brighter than ever before. Imagine a vast library filled with volumes of information. This is our DNA, the genetic blueprint that makes us who we are. Within this library, scientists have pinpointed 683 specific genetic variants linked to 8 common psychiatric disorders: autism, ADHD, schizophrenia, bipolar disorder, major depressive disorder, Tourette syndrome, obsessive-compulsive disorder, and anorexia nervosa. These 683 variants, while seemingly small, hold immense significance. They represent points of vulnerability within our genetic code, areas where slight alterations can disrupt the delicate balance of brain development and function. Understanding the role of these variants is like finding puzzle pieces that connect seemingly disparate conditions. This discovery challenges traditional diagnostic boundaries. It suggests that these disorders, once seen as distinct entities, share a common underlying genetic vulnerability. This new understanding paves the way for a more integrated approach to mental health, one that recognizes the interconnected nature of these conditions. The implications of this discovery extend far beyond the laboratory. It offers hope for more effective, targeted treatments that address the root causes of mental illness. Furthermore, it emphasizes the importance of early intervention and personalized medicine in addressing these complex conditions. The human brain is an intricate marvel, a complex network of billions of neurons constantly firing and communicating. Its development, from the earliest stages in the womb to adulthood, is a meticulously orchestrated process guided by our genes. The 683 genetic variants identified by researchers play a crucial role in this delicate dance of brain development. They influence the formation of neural circuits, the intricate pathways that govern our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. These variants also affect the production and function of neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers that relay signals between neurons. Disruptions in these fundamental processes, even subtle ones, can have a cascading effect on brain development. Imagine a conductor leading an orchestra. Even a slightly mistimed cue can disrupt the entire symphony. Similarly, alterations in these genetic variants can disrupt the harmonious development of the brain, increasing the risk of mental health conditions. Understanding the precise role of these variants at different stages of brain development is crucial. It can help us identify critical windows of vulnerability and develop interventions that target these specific periods. Genes don't work in isolation. They are like individual instruments in an orchestra, each playing a specific role in the larger symphony of life. Proteins, the workhorses of our cells, are the musicians that bring these genetic instructions to life. The 683 genetic variants linked to mental health disorders influence the production and function of these crucial proteins. Some variants may lead to an overproduction of certain proteins, while others may result in a shortage. These imbalances can disrupt the delicate equilibrium within brain cells, leading to problems in communication, signaling, and overall function. Imagine a factory assembly line where each protein plays a specific role in creating a finished product. If one component is faulty or missing, the entire production process can be thrown off balance. Scientists are now working tirelessly to unravel the complex interplay between these genetic variants and the proteins they govern. By mapping these intricate interactions, researchers hope to identify key proteins involved in the development of mental health disorders. This knowledge could pave the way for new drug targets and therapies aimed at restoring the delicate balance within the brain. Section 5. Understanding co-occurrence. It is not uncommon for individuals with one mental health disorder to experience symptoms of another. For example, a person with ADHD may also struggle with anxiety or depression. This co-occurrence of conditions has long puzzled clinicians and researchers. However, the discovery of shared genetic variants offers a compelling explanation. Think of a family tree with branches representing different mental health conditions. The shared genetic variants act as the trunk, a common foundation that increases the likelihood of developing any of these disorders. This interconnectedness highlights the limitations of traditional diagnostic categories, which often view mental illness in isolation. It suggests that a more fluid and dimensional approach is needed, one that recognizes the overlapping nature of these conditions. Understanding the genetic basis of co-occurrence is crucial for developing more effective treatment strategies. It may be possible to develop therapies that target multiple conditions simultaneously by addressing the shared genetic vulnerabilities. This could lead to more holistic and personalized treatment plans that consider the individual's unique genetic makeup and symptom profile. Section 6. A paradigm shift in treatment. The discovery of shared genetic variants marks a paradigm shift in how we approach mental health treatment. It opens up exciting new possibilities for developing more precise and effective therapies that target the root causes of these conditions, not just their symptoms. Traditionally, mental health treatment has relied heavily on medications that address chemical imbalances in the brain. While these medications can be effective for some, they often come with undesirable side effects and do not address the underlying genetic vulnerabilities. Gene-based therapies offer a more targeted approach. Imagine being able to identify individuals at risk for developing a specific mental health condition based on their genetic profile. This early identification would allow for preventative interventions and support, potentially mitigating the onset or severity of the disorder. Furthermore, understanding the specific genes and proteins involved in different mental health conditions could lead to the development of new drugs that target these pathways with greater precision. This targeted approach could minimize side effects and improve treatment outcomes significantly. Section 7. Towards precision mental health care. The future of mental health care lies in precision medicine, an approach that tailors treatment to the individual's unique genetic makeup, lifestyle, and environment. The discovery of shared genetic variants is a crucial step towards this personalized approach. Imagine a world where mental health treatment is no longer a one-size-fits-all approach. Instead, individuals receive care tailored to their specific needs, based on their genetic predispositions and environmental factors. Genetic testing could become a routine part of mental health assessment, providing valuable information about an individual's risk factors and potential treatment responses. This information would allow clinicians to develop personalized treatment plans that incorporate therapy, medication, lifestyle modifications, and other interventions tailored to the individual's unique needs. This shift towards precision mental health care represents a fundamental change in how we view and treat mental illness. It empowers individuals to take an active role in their mental health journey and offers hope for a future where mental health conditions are managed effectively, allowing individuals to live full and meaningful lives. Section 8. A global health imperative. Mental health disorders represent a global health crisis, affecting nearly 1 billion people worldwide. The World Health Organization estimates that mental health conditions account for more disability than any other group of illnesses, including cancer and heart disease. The societal and economic costs of untreated mental illness are staggering. The World Economic Forum estimates that mental health conditions cost the global economy $1 trillion annually in lost productivity. This underscores the urgent need for greater investment in mental health research, treatment, and prevention programs. The discovery of shared genetic variants provides a powerful tool for addressing this global health challenge. It offers a roadmap for developing more effective treatments, improving diagnosis, and ultimately reducing the burden of mental illness worldwide. International collaboration will be crucial in translating these scientific advancements into tangible improvements in mental health care globally. Sharing data, resources, and expertise across borders will accelerate research and ensure that these discoveries benefit individuals around the world. Section 9. A future of hope. The discovery of shared genetic variants linked to common psychiatric disorders is a watershed moment in mental health research. It offers a beacon of hope for millions worldwide living with mental illness and their families. This breakthrough challenges long-held assumptions about mental health, paving the way for a more integrated and personalized approach to treatment. It empowers us with a deeper understanding of the biological underpinnings of these complex conditions, moving us closer to a future where mental illness is no longer shrouded in stigma and misunderstanding. While significant challenges remain, the future of mental health care is brighter than ever before. With continued research, collaboration, and a commitment to improving the lives of those affected by mental illness, we can create a world where everyone has the opportunity to achieve optimal mental well-being.